Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, people, me are gonna do things differently today. Today, are some little reaction video, you know what I mean? We are keep it all the way social. So, me have some video from Shaneil Muir I want to take a look at, right? I'm gonna share them with you now as well, you know what I mean? Because these are fun videos. Them really short still, but me I tell you, she full of vibe. So, we are gonna get right into the first one. So, the first one is like a freestyle thing. Two of them are freestyle, and then the next one she just attack, right? But like I said, them really quick people. So we are gonna get into the first one. So the first one more I watch, the one I know where she there, right? This is from when time she and Spice and J Daddy they are Texas. Because remember the place the environment, the surrounding. You see me I say. So first, make we take a listen to this. This is only 10 seconds, but let's go.
Shut up. Watch it now. Watch it now. You see my glasses? I can't see nobody. You see my punk book? Me not get nobody.
Janu. So those two lines you give people, but the rhyme quick and it tough. What do you think? When you tell me down in the comment section. Done. When you know Shaneil Muir well versatile, right? So the next one we are gonna get into now. I'm going to save the best for last, or at least what me think is the best. I want to see all three of them who can tell me what I think is the best. So the next one, she does attack still, and I'm going to play that one here, hear what she has say. So let's take a listen. That one here 28 seconds. So again, people, it ain't going to be that long. This video overall not supposed to be that long, but let's go.
But no, listen to me. I know some just not going to like me, but guess what? Me no business. Me no business. No people not gonna like me. Some people might say, me just can't like her. Me just this. Me know why you like me. What you like her go do for me? What is it going to do for me and you? You know, I like her. You're like not gonna pay your bills or mine. You see me?
Well, first of all, top girl, me say that me like you. You see what me I say? You're one of my favorite artists, so you don't know. Who not like you then can go and still. And the people them where I go watch and comment, them like you as well. You see me I say, well, if people like you. But we know how things go people, especially on social media, there's a lot of people who tend to, you know what I mean, claim say them outspoken and so on and so forth, and then we say negative things. And as human nature, we tend to respond to those other than just responding to the people them where really show we love and support. Me, I try my best, you know, sometimes I get distracted and, you know, answer to the negative thing or keep the negative thing in mind, but me I try my best for work with the positive comments them all the time, and them we are focused on. You see me I say? Because it's kind of like rare that you see dislike more than like. If you see only more dislike than like, or bad comments more than good comments, well, you know, say, yeah, do something wrong. And that for take as a lesson. Even for myself, may I practice when I preach. Now, people, we move on to the next video. So the next video, like me say, is the best to me. And we just like the fact that it's longer when and a music. You see what I say? So that one here, she a freestyle in one car. So let's take a listen to this one. Here goes.
Let me tell you something about you fake ass bitches. All up on the gram with your fake ass bitches. They just cannot have some money, face ass bitches. Get a job, fucking waste ass niggas. Too many fuck boys waste the space ass niggas. 28 and you ain't got a place ass nigga, bitch you broke. Get up on my face ass nigga. In the meantime, in between time, let me get me some designers. Would be offensive in Bahama taking me.
Trouble. Yeah, me not lie. When she started first, me I wonder like if like something that play in her car. You see me? Cause she did start real low and she a bob with it, and me I say okay, and then she get into it. But when it a cut off and she say in the meantime, between time, that flow there, you know. So I really rate that. She did have a caption with it on Instagram. I have to find a caption for telling her what she said about it. Real quick, me I go look for that.
Nigga, in the meantime, in between time, let me get me some designers. Would be offensive in Bahama taking me. Let me tell you something about you fake ass bitches. All up on the gram with your fake ass bitches. They just cannot have some money, face ass.
So in her caption, she tag at DJ Blue 876 and say, is you guys right now listening me sing another song instead of releasing Hype and Bossy? I know. Blame the producer, not me. So she have Hype and Bossy for release, I guess, right? But people that little freestyle they bad. All two of them bad, right? The little first piece where the little 10-second piece that tough as well, right? Some of us want to big up the top girl one more time. She always keep us entertained, and you know everybody will support her. Big up on herself as well. We just look forward to see some more. You know what I mean? Music, some more freestyle 2022. They're on the corner. As always, like the artists, them get more refresh when the new year's coming. So make us see what I got going. Make us see if the top girl I got give us some nice music in the 2022. She already dropped some song in the 2021. We're going good, exclusive going good. She have the one where she do on bold clockwork rhythm, right? And a couple others still. You see me I say, I don't know what they song them. I'm gonna drop them in the comment section. So once again, big up the top girl. And you don't know. Thanks for watching this video. See me and say, Dancehall IG, big up on yourself every time and stay safe out there. Big up to everybody. I'm out.
Watch it now. Watch it now. You see my glasses? I can't see nobody. You see me punk up? Me not get nobody.
But no, listen to me. I know some just not going to like me, but guess what? Me no business. Me no business. Enough people not gonna like me. Some people might say, me just can't like her. Me just this. Me know why you like me. What you like her go do for me? What is it going to do for me and you? You know, I'm not like her. You're like not gonna pay your bills or mine. You see me?
Let me tell you something about you fake ass bitches. All up on the gram with your fake ass bitches. They just cannot have some money, face ass bitches. Get a job, fucking waste ass niggas. Too many fuck boys waste the space ass niggas. 28 and you ain't got a place ass nigga, bitch you broke. Get up on my face ass nigga. In the meantime, in between time, let me get me some designers. We be offensive in Bahama taking me.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.
What you like I go do for me? What is it going to do for me and you? You know, I'm not like her. You're like not gonna pay your bills or mine. You see me?